Okay, I don't even know if I should have this on this table because this is pretty heavy package I got here. Anyway, I'm getting really far behind on my reviews. People are sending me stuff left and right. This is from a company called Vevor, and I'm going to show you what we have here. It's packaged very well, as you can see. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, I have to stand up for this. Oh my gosh, it's a beast. Yeah, can you tell what that is? This, my friend, is a bottle jack. It's a very big bottle jack. It's not your small bottle jack, it's a big bottle jack. And it weighs a ton. I'm not sure exactly how much it weighs, but it's hefty, but at least it has a handle. That's the first part of my review. It's got a good handle to carry it with. Anyway, they sent me this. It is a 20-ton jack. Normally you see 2, 4, 6, 10-ton bottle jacks, but this is a 20-pound. For an RV, a Class C RV, you probably only need like a 12-ton. This could probably do a Class C, something really big and heavy. It looks of good quality. Comes with a comes with a three-part handle. It has these little hole things in here. Lock in like that. Push it in, lock it, and you've got a handle. Has this notch out here, so you can use it for the release down, and then lock it for the oil. Let's see how this works. Let's jack it. Let's jack it up here. Oh, it also has this top part. You can screw this. It goes, I think, almost 2 inches. So if you need to get it up higher or something, use that. Let's see if this works really well. It's going to probably take a while for me to get some height on it. I'm not going to go all the way up. But as you can see, it goes up. We'll see how you can release it here. Put that in the notch. You turn it, and it will go down. There. So it comes with a 3-piece handle, the jack, instructions. The instructions have how to add and change the oil, routine maintenance. It says you should change the oil once a year, but heck, if I don't ever use it, I'll probably never change the oil. Comes with the parts. I think if you want to order parts. But yeah, I would use it, but I do not have a jack pad. I would need something to hold, because usually on RVs you need to jack it from the axle, and you would have to get an attachment for this, put on top of there for better support under the axle. And of course, never trust just the jack. If you use a jack, don't just use a jack, use jack stands, because these are not 100% reliable in keeping the vehicle up. So yeah, it comes with a pretty neat 3-piece handle. Can't say anything bad about it. I haven't used it. I'm probably not going to use it. But yeah, if you go to Amazon or their website, they're pretty popular on Amazon, so and they get good ratings, so I'm sure it's a good jack. 20 tons. So I will leave a link in the description. Don't know what I'm going to do with this. I'm going to keep it or give it away. I would do it as a giveaway, but the postage on this would be too much to send someone. I believe this runs $50 on Amazon. So yeah, it's a neat bottle jack. I'm glad they sent it to me. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next review or the next video.